members of other political parties who did not belong to Jacobin club, they were also the enemy of Robespierre. And the member of Jacobin club, but those persons who were the member of Jacobin club but they did not agree with the method of Robespierre, they were also the enemy of Robespierre. And Robespierre did very bad with his enemies. Either their enemies were arrested, imprisoned in jail, and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal. If the court found them guilty, guilty means if the court found criminal, to the accused person, then they were guillotined. They were guillotined. What is the meaning of guillotine? The guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. Guillotine means guillotine was a device for beheading a person. For beheading a person. And a scientist whose name was Dr. Guillotine. Dr. Guillotine invented a device for beheading a person. That's why the name of that device was kept guillotine. And when a person was guillotined, first of all he was tied between two poles. The guillotine is a device consisting of two poles. The guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. First of all, the person who was going to be guillotined, first of all, he was adjusted in the device between two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. Robespierre's government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed. Robespierre fixed the maximum wages, and the government of Robespierre fixed the wages of the laborers and the prices of the consumer goods. Meat and bread were rationed. Peasants were forced to transport their grain to the cities and sell it at prices fixed by the government. There was a pressure over the peasants that they would have to transport their grain to the cities and sell it at fixed prices, which price was fixed by the government of Robespierre. On that fixed prices, the farmers had to sell their agriculture products. That was the compulsion for peasants. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. All citizens were required to eat the plain egg light equality bread, a loaf made of whole wheat. Equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. So in the rule of Robespierre's in the rule of Robespierre's government, or in the rule of the government of Robespierre, you can see that peasants were forced to sell their agricultural products in the market, and prices of consumer goods were fixed, and wages of the laborers or employees were also fixed. Equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. Instead of traditional monsieur and madame, all French men and women were henceforth citoyen and citoyenne. Churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or offices. In the rule of the government of Robespierre, churches were shut down and the building of the churches were converted into barracks for army or for police, or their buildings were converted into offices. Either the buildings of churches were converted into barracks for police or for army, or the buildings of churches were converted into government offices. So this rule was called the reign of terror, the rule of horror, because Robespierre killed his so many enemies. And who were enemies, I have already told. And his policy was very tight. And some of his policies were against humanity. And even churches buildings were converted into barrack or offices. That's why the regime of the government of Robespierre was called the reign of terror. Understand? This question will be asked in the exam. Why the rule of the government of Robespierre was called the reign of terror? And I have already explained the answer of this question. Robespierre persuaded his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand moderation. Finally, he was convicted by a court in July 1794, arrested, and on next day sent to the guillotine. In July 1794, finally he was convicted by a court and he was arrested in July 1794, and next day he was sent to the guillotine. Means Robespierre was also guillotined. In his life, he had done guillotined his enemies on large scale, on large number, and at last Robespierre was also guillotined by the order of court. A directory rules France. The fall of Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle classes to seize power. When Robespierre was guillotined, the government of Jacobin club was fell down, and the fall of Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle classes to seize power. A new constitution was introduced which to vote to non-propertized section of society. It provided to elected legislative council. This then appointed a directory, an executive made of 5 members. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in a one-man executive as under the Jacobin. However, the directors often clashed with the legislature councils, who then sought to dismiss them. The political instability of the directive paved the way for the rise of military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. When Robespierre was guillotined, a wealthier middle class people were allowed to seize power. A new constitution was introduced for France, which denied the vote to non-propertized section of society. According to new constitution, those persons who had no their own property, they were debarred from casting vote. They were debarred from casting vote. Non-propertied sections were debarred from casting vote according to the constitution. They could not elect their representative. It provided 2 elected legislative council. These then appointed a directive and executive made of the 5 members. After that, a directory was appointed. There were 5 members. Directive was an executive, and in that executive there were 5 members who were responsible to rule over the country. This was meant as a safeguard. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in one man executive as under the Jacobin. When Robespierre was the head of Jacobin club, then all the political power was concentrated in Robespierre. All the political power was concentrated in single person, in Robespierre. But after being guillotined, the Robespierre, power, the government of Jacobin club distributed the political power among 5 persons, and a directory was formed. Directory means an executive was formed, and in that directory, in that executive, there were 5 members. And they were responsible to rule over the country. Why 5 persons? So that the political power could not be concentrated in one person. the 5 members had been appointed in that executive. That was called directory. However, the directors often clashed with the legislature council, who then sought to dismiss them. The political instability of the director paved the way for the rise of a military dictator, Napoleon Bonaparte. But the members of the directory were called director. There were 5 directors in that directory. So the 5 directors started to clash with each other on different political issue or social, political, economical issue. They started to clash with each other. That's why the people of France started to wish a military dictator who could rule over France. The citizens of France started to wish a military dictator in France who could rule over the France. And that's why Napoleon Bonaparte arose. The political instability of the directory paved the way for the rise of military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. Due to the clash between the directors of directory, Jacobin government became totally failure. And then there became the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, who was a military dictator and who became the emperor of France. Napoleon Bonaparte, who became the emperor of France and who was a military dictator. Through all these changes in the form of government, the ideals of freedom, of equality before the law and of fraternity remain inspiring ideals that motivated political movement in France and the rest of Europe during the following country. When Napoleon Bonaparte became the emperor of France, the form of the government was changed, and equality, liberty and fraternity, these 3 ideas were spreaded during the regime of Napoleon Bonaparte from France to other European countries. Equality means all people are equal before law. Liberty means freedom or independence. All people are independent. The right to freedom. And fraternity means brotherhood. The concept of brotherhood, the sense of brotherhood. That is called fraternity. So, equality, liberty and fraternity, these 3 ideas were spreaded in the regime of Napoleon Bonaparte from France into another European country. Did women have a revolution? Now I am going to teach you this topic. Did women have a revolution? From the very beginning, women were active participants in the events which brought about so many important changes in French society. They hoped that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary government to introduce measures to improve their lives. Most women of the third estate had to work for a living. They worked as seamstresses or laundresses, sold flowers, fruits and vegetables at the market, or were employed as domestic servants in the house of prosperous people. Actually, in French Revolution, there was too much contribution of the women. In French Revolution, there was too much contribution of women, of French women in that revolution. And women participated in that revolution because they had a hope that when France would become the republic country, then they would obtain or they would get so many political rights, such as right to vote, right to freedom. They also wanted to be the representative of the people. Women also wanted to be the member of National Assembly. They also wanted to participate in the election as a candidate, and they also wanted the right to cast vote. And they had a hope that after revolution, a new type of government would be formed, a new type of constitution would be drafted, and in that constitution, women would be provided so many rights, like right to vote, right to be the member of National Assembly, right to be the representative of the government. But their expectation